Remer. Built-in Wallbox 2 ways installation guide, easy setup.
Before proceeding with the installation of the product, check the correct functioning of the system. The pipes must be free from impurities and accumulations of limestone. Temperature and operating pressure are respectively 5 degrees minimum to 65 degrees maximum and 1 bar to 5 bars. Follow the correct installation direction indicated by the arrow on the front of the covers. Use the spirit level already mounted on the cover to check the correct orientation of the installation. Note, the spirit level can be rotated 90 degrees to check the correct orientation of the other directions. The level also can be moved from one part to the other of the box to better check the alignment. Install the product on the wall so that once the built-in box is secured inside it, the edge of the finished and tiled wall is between the two lines in relief Min and Max printed on the box itself. Secure the built-in box to the wall with 4 screws and 6 mm dowels using a fixing plate. Note, the box can be walled in or installed on wood or plasterboard using special fixing screws. Connect the hot and cold water pipes as indicated on the built-in box. Install the supplied waterproofing tile by gluing it to the raw wall, then finish the tiling. The hole in the tiles shall be 60 millimeters. Once tiled, remove the covers and cut off the excess part of the box. Remove the system test plugs and ensure that the housing of the external parts is free of elements to avoid product malfunctions. Note, be sure to also remove the corresponding sealing O-rings. Note, the 2 pairs of holes 1 to 2, 3 to 4, and 5 to 6 must be aligned to ensure the correct orientation of the external parts. Install the external parts by tightening the screws to the built-in body. An Allen key size 2.5 is needed. Assemble the 2 levers and the hand shower holder. An Allen key size 2.5 is needed.
Easy setup finalization examples with external parts. Hand shower set, hand shower outlet included, second outlet to be chosen separately by the customer. Spout set, spout outlet included, second outlet to be chosen separately by the customer. Hand shower and spout set. Both outlets are included in the package. Note, water outlet hand shower holder. Installation at the desired location. Prepare the water supply connection and provide a 30 mm diameter hole in the tile. Finish for installation. Remer.